Hello, my name is Leslie Kane, and I'm getting ready to submit my video to Bulk Domino's Championships. I want to get on their leaderboard, and I am submitting my video for most dominoes toppled underwater, and I'm doing the mini dominoes. So I got a dish here with some water in it, and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see one domino didn't want to cooperate. It's not as easy as you think. So let me get tweezers, which is what I needed to use, and let's topple them over. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These kind of floated together, but here we go. There was 9 of them. Thank you so much.